welcome to day 5 of the annual Kitty's Mama Advent Calendar series.
In this series, what we do is we open up this thing, that thing, these things, and those things. And in case you didn't know, we're doing this every day up till Christmas, so stay tuned for Christmas time.
Be sure to subscribe because we're going to be uploading these Advent Calendar videos every day from this point up to Christmas. You don't want to miss them. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon.
And if you missed out on the past 4 videos, you can check those out. They should be on a playlist. Alright, we're getting to it?
Alright, let's get into this Adventium calendar.
Whoa.
So what we're going to do is we're going to open up this thing first. So let's go ahead and give it an open.
This is a Nativity Advent Calendar for Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
Hits a second hay bale. Finally, a kind man said he would let them stay in the stable in the back to warm, soft hay.
Warm, soft hay. So now we're going to open up the one with the snowman, and that one is falling over.
And it's also from Precious Moments, so thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
Wow. What's it gonna be? Is it gonna be a snow sun?
Are you gonna guess? Are you gonna guess what this one is, Emma?
Snow daughter.
Snow brother.
What? Jonah got it! Jonah guessed it!
Yeah!
It's a snow brother! Where oh where can brother be? It's time to decorate the tree.
Alright, so now we got meat time. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the jerky. I'm excited for this. We got classic flavor gator strips.
It's orange. It looks like orange.
Well, I want a little bit.
It looks like dried apricots.
Alright.
It's a little bit too rare.
That's pretty good.
Rare? That's good.
I like that one. That one's great to me.
I still like the bourbon beer.
That's good.
You know. I do like it. I like it more than the elk.
I like it more than the deer. The deer is my least favorite so far. What's going on over there? What's going on back there?
Whoa! Whoa!
I've only had
Whoa!
like 3, but that one's pretty good. Alright, let's pop open day number 5.
Alright, let's get right into the news.
Charm is a tiny...
Do you want to be in the video? You have to sit down and be quiet.
Now I'm opening up the Beauty Blast Spectacular Cosmetic Treats Advent Calendar. This one is a mini mega matte lips matte lip color.
Mini Mega Matte. Mini Mega Matte. That's right. I did. I failed. Woo! That's exactly right, Michael.
Yes.
Are you guys ready for the cheese? I don't think you're ready for this. This is number 5, guys. We're going to be opening up number 5 today because today is day number 5.
Oh my. Oh my goodness. This one looks better than all the other days.
Right. Herb Gouda. I knew it was Gouda.
Herb?
Herb.
I saved the meat well. I'm gonna put it on this, and then I'm gonna put the cheese with it, and we're gonna make a nice little sandwich. Oh no. Herb!
Herb. Penny said herb.
He's doing it. That's pretty good. I like it with the crackers.
Hey, my God.
Micah, do you need a bump at many times? Are you good? Yeah, that's the best so far.
Herb Gouda.
Pretty good. Pretty good. Now it's time to open up the presents from companies. Bam. No.
No. I'm gonna keep the paper. What? I didn't know that this is what this is.
Oh, it's up. I opened it upside down and everything's everywhere now.
I thought this was an O and it just like made sense because I call mocha
Oh, it's
Micah mocha sometimes. This is really nice. This is high quality.
It is high quality.
Look,
it's your name.
That's how your name is spelled.
Can we try?
That's
Yeah,
you.
try.
What's the building?
letter is this?
Wait, now
What
how do I
about this
know
one?
which way it goes every
I.
day?
What about this one?
C.
What about this one?
What if the A
What
goes
about
like
this?
this?
J.
But the A could also go like this.
What is it really?
J.
H.
H.
Now what does that spell?
I want to.
It spells Micah.
I want to hold
Uh-huh.
I want to hold it.
Fat
What
Brain.
fat brain is just going all out.
Man, Fat Brain made those squigs.
Thank you, Fat Brain, for the free product.
it. Can I go fat way? Yeah.
Right there, it says Luca. Luka.
Yay.
Exactly.
Yep.
Now go get in your chair and play with it.
Okay,
Okay.
now it's time to open up another PR unit.
What's his name?
Guys, stay on focus.
Then there's the guy who like walks into the house and then like starts in the childhood of the
David
VCR.
Blaine.
David Blaine. Cut the camera, cut the camera.
Alrighty,
What is this?
we have
Dude, this seems cool.
tattoo stories.
Oh, I can finally get the tattoo of my dreams.
Good ink or bad ink, the art is how you
Be
sell it.
Luca.
Oh, it's an art game.
Ooh.
So we do
You-
it wrong?
You get a bunch of topics, items, things, and then you just put them all together as a tattoo.
I'm a horrible artist.
Thank you, Bicycle, for the free product.
Bicycle cards. Thank you.
Bicycle marker,
Look.
paper, you know.
Look.
You know what? This seems alright.
I know.
This is an incredible design.
Is that actually a tattoo?
Mine, using a movie quote, I did Now We Ride from Rango.
Yeah, fine.
And using zombie, I made Zombie Rango.
Oh, okay.
And he has a jetpack, and the jetpack is made by Oscar Myers, and it is bursting into flames.
I just made everything new.
Oh my gosh, that's what it is. Hold on. Okay, this is gonna be a tough one because the ditto fire is really.
But I used all of the elements together.
That's true. I don't see any movie quote on yours.
Mine's just ominous influence.
I'm sure that's
Ditto.
a movie.
That's, you know, it probably is.
This one.
I don't know. That doesn't look like a very convincing
It is
zombie.
Oscar Mayer approved.
But it does look like a good tattoo.
It looks like a good. Which one would I rather get?
This game.
I'm gonna have to go with no on this. If I had to get one, I mean they're both pretty good. I like Rango, but if I had to get
You
one,
just get mine as a joke.
well, that's why I'd get.
Yeah, it's a pretty good tattoo.
I will open it.
Never mind.
I will do the honors.
Okay.
That's plastic though.
Ooh, oh my gosh, I've always wanted one of those.
Oh man.
Look
This
Well,
is Scruff Luvs from Moose. Thank you, Moose, for the free product. I know how this works. It's like a ball of fluff, and then you have to wash it, and then dry it, and then comb it, and it's a stuffed animal. This one is a donate gift. So, it'll go to kids who aren't us.
That's right.
I don't,
We're not kids, Emma.
kids in need. Oh, I'm sorry. We're teenagers. We're 13 and
And
up.
Oh, I'm
You
sorry,
are
we're
11.
human beings.
Micah is an illusion.
That one person that commented, you're 11. No, you're not.
Do not comment your age if you're below 13.
Why
Which
are you
I
so
know you're not
scared?
here. Under 13 channels don't exist on YouTube. But if you are under 13, don't comment your age. YouTube will delete your account. Thank you for watching today's video. Tune in tomorrow at some time during the day to watch day number 6. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and bye, YouTube.
I want more presents.
He's talking for me right now.
I want more presents.
Oh, we all do.